Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how I wash my motorcycle at my home. First let me just show you how dirty it is. See all this dirt, it's all around the motorcycle, in the wheel, the tank, the heat shield, the windshield, the engine, the exhaust. So I'm gonna use my pressure washer and two bucket system to clean. I'm gonna be using 3M car shampoo to clean my motorcycle. Start with a pre-wash rinse. This is Star QW3 new model. It's been old. It's been with me more than 3 years now. Now we have done with the pre-wash rinse. So now I'm going to take a microfiber cloth dipped into soap water. I'm using a 3M car shampoo. I'll put a photo of that bottle in the video. We'll start with from top to bottom. Always wash or clean your motorcycle from top to bottom. I'm going to be using another bucket with some clean water in it to regularly clean the water. So now it's been few minutes. We have applied soap. Now it's time to do a final rinse. Top to bottom. I have this pressure washer with me and it helps me save water. I can clean the whole bike within less than a bucket of water. It saves a lot of water. If you don't have a pressure washer, then you can use a normal hose or you can use a bucket water. So now we are done with the final process of rinsing the bike. I'm going to put the pressure washer and the water away. I'm now going to dry the motorcycle. Time to dry the motorcycle now. I'm just going to tilt it and so that it will drop the excess water. Again start from top to bottom. I will loop the chain if there is need, then once the motorcycle is properly dried. So now we have a very clean motorcycle. So I don't do this very often. I only do this when there is too much dirt and the motorcycle is very dirty, because I don't want to waste water. So keep in mind, whenever you wash or clean the motorcycle or your car, please don't waste water. Use the minimal amount of water if possible, which you can use. My pressure washer helps me, saves a lot of water. See, I started with full bucket of water. Now I still have around this much water in the bucket and my bike is already washed. Thanks guys, and thanks for watching.